Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you my Claude Code project. This is a re-implementation of Warcraft 3, so a partial re-implementation of a bunch of the Warcraft 3 engine functions that runs in JavaScript and uses Three.js to render. So this is actually Fight of the Characters, which is a community-run map from 2008. And yeah, so I used Claude Code to create a map agnostic runtime for this, and it's multiplayer. It runs on a Node.js server. So let me show you how this works. So if you know anything about Warcraft 3, it's old. Doesn't look the best, but yeah. So everything here runs with the map scripts in real time. Nothing's been re-implemented. So it's actually running the W3X map back from 2008. And so it re-implemented... The engine implements a bunch of the Warcraft 3 functions that allows spells to work. So as you can see, we have ribbons from the models that are implemented. This is Ichigo from an anime. Yeah, so the game is fully playable now. Most of the functions from Fight of the Characters are in. Map triggers are in. So let's kill a few mobs here and level up, and then we'll try one of the spell abilities. And the reason I chose to set up the engine, the Warcraft 3 engine, and the emulator for the Warcraft 3 scripting language is because re-implementing every spell would have been a nightmare. It probably would have been possible. So by creating a virtual machine that runs the Warcraft 3 scripting language, I was able to get all the spells working. Here, let's switch to a different character just because Ichigo needs to be level 4 to unlock a spell. Let's do Sadame. He's third Hokage guy from Naruto, so he starts with a spell. So this spell has fire, and alpha layer doesn't quite work yet, so it looks a little funny. But yeah, that is the spell straight from the Warcraft 3 custom map. So it wasn't specially implemented for the browser. And yeah. Other features, it supports multiplayer. And it has a custom character selector compared to the original map. So it overrides a few triggers at the start just because there's that lobby system. But yeah, map triggers work, region triggers work, teleporters over here work, music works, terrain works, the shaders for the water work. There's a full write-up in the GitHub repository that's going to be linked. And most of the coding tasks were done, well, pretty much all of them, were done with agentic AI. Using Claude Code, Opus 5. I did not use Fable 5 for this, so Opus only, Opus 5 only. And yeah, took a few days, 3 or 4 days. And there's still some things that need to be done, like the square under this guy shouldn't be there. It should be like a blended alpha texture with different alpha layers. Same thing with this. So there's a little bit of blending issues still there. You can see the ground here, the texture blending. This is pre-baked, and this one's not, so it looks kind of funny. Other things that are missing are just, like I said, the alpha layers and some of the images. These shops that have their inventories moved to this buy menu just for testing. I need to re-implement them back into here. Because you're supposed to be able to click on these and buy stuff. And then probably a little bit more translation, because this is a Korean map. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you.